Before planting, prepare the soil by mixing the first sachet of 5 gram humate granules into 5 liters of water in a watering can. Stir thoroughly to dissolve it. The humates improve soil microactivity. Starting from one side of the seedbed, apply the solution evenly with a steady pace. Repeat the process with the second sachet. Starting at the opposite side, overlap the applications to ensure the entire seedbed surface is covered. Next, fill the watering can with 5 liters of water and dissolve the 5 gram EcoT sachets, the whitish powder. Aim to cover the entire bed evenly in a single application. Use the garden rake to work the applied product into the topsoil, creating a superfine surface.
Now, use the guide rope to locate the rows. For the short 3-meter ends of the bed, collect about 20 sticks, each 40 cm long. Place the rake marks at the corners of the short end. In between these, use the color-coded marks on the guide rope to indicate the spacing between rows. Mark each spacing with a stick. Repeat this at the opposite end, ensuring sticks align properly. Refer to the booklet for instructions on planting each crop. Use the ruler provided to measure the spacing between seeds in the row and the planting depth of each variety. Follow the guidelines in the manual carefully. Ensure you don't plant seeds too deep and lightly press the soil on the planted seed to ensure good contact with the surrounding soil. Repeat this for all rows and crop varieties. It is important to use a fine spray, like a watering can, to irrigate and thoroughly water the planted bed immediately after planting and again at 3 to 4 day intervals. This ensures the seed coats shed properly and that the seeds germinate uniformly. It is also good practice to apply a thin layer of mulch, such as dried grass clippings. This will condition the top layer of the soil, prevent it from drying out excessively, and protect the delicate young seedlings.
Daily general care is important to make a success.
In the next session, we will be looking at installing a drip irrigation kit for your garden.